Easy Spanish for Real Life, Lesson 2. Introducing yourself, names, I am, and first real conversations. Welcome to Easy Spanish for Real Life. This is Lesson 2 of our complete Spanish course for adults. In Lesson 1, you learned how to greet people, ask how they are, respond politely, and communicate when you don't understand. In today's lesson, you will learn the next essential skill in Spanish, introducing yourself. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say your name in Spanish, ask someone their name, say I am in Spanish, understand and use basic first meeting conversations. This is real Spanish for real life. Let's begin. As with every lesson in this course, we follow a clear structure. First, you will hear the Spanish slowly and clearly. Then, you will repeat with guided practice. After that, we will use the language in simple real situations. Finally, we will review everything together. You are not here to memorize rules. You are here to build confidence step by step. If something feels slow, that is intentional. Adults learn languages through repetition and clarity. Before we continue, a quick reminder. This is a structured Spanish course designed to be followed in order. If you want real progress, subscribe to the channel and continue with each lesson step by step. New long-form Spanish lessons for adults are published regularly. Now, let's start with the most common way to introduce yourself in Spanish. In English, you say, "My name is John." In Spanish, the most common equivalent is "Me llamo." This means, "My name is." Listen carefully. Me llamo. Again. Me llamo. Now let's add a name. I will use David as an example. Me llamo David. Again. Me llamo David. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me, but you can replace David with your own name. Me llamo David. Good. Me llamo is the standard phrase used when introducing yourself in Spanish-speaking countries. You will hear it constantly in real life. Me llamo is pronounced approximately like me llamo. Do not worry about sounding perfect. Focus on clarity and confidence. Spanish speakers care more about understanding than accent. To ask someone their name in Spanish, we use this question. ¿Cómo te llamas? This means, what's your name? Listen carefully. ¿Cómo te llamas? Again. ¿Cómo te llamas? This is the natural question used in everyday conversations. Now look at the connection. Me llamo. My name is. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? These two phrases create your first real interaction in Spanish. Listen to this short conversation. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo David. Now listen again slowly. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo David. This is real Spanish. Short, natural, useful. Now repeat after me. Me llamo. Me llamo David. Again. Me llamo. Now the question. ¿Cómo te llamas? Again. ¿Cómo te llamas? Now repeat the exchange. Remember, you can replace David with your own name. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo David. Again. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo David. Excellent. Another very common way to introduce yourself is using soy. This means I am. Listen. Soy. Again. Soy. Now with a name. Soy David. This means I am David. In Spanish, both of these are correct. Me llamo David. Soy David. Me llamo is more formal and complete. Soy is shorter and very common in spoken Spanish. Repeat after me. Soy David. Me llamo David. Now we combine everything. Repeat after me. Hola. Me llamo David. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? Now repeat it with your name instead of David. Me llamo David. Now with soy. Soy David. Good. If this lesson is helping you, make sure you are subscribed to Easy Spanish for Real Life. This course is designed for adults who want real results, and the progress comes from watching the lessons in order. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.